Glad you could join me here at Ocean Lakes, but we have some laundry to do. I want to show you some, because let me tell you something, it is fancy. So here we are at the Soapy Suds, the laundromat here at Ocean Lakes Campground in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at this and give you a full review of the grocery store that they have right here in the campground as well. Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look at the laundromat.
This smells always so good. These are vintage.
Ooh, this looks fancy. Look at all these laundries. What are these, washers? How much are those? $2.75 a load. Bryce thinks they look cool. $2.75 a load. Oh, look, you can take it there and they do it for you.
These wash and rinse it, and then these are the
They even fluff and fold it for you. That's the way they do laundry. What are these?
dryers.
These are big dryers.
Oh look, it's the what kind of channel I'm going. These are
25 cents for like what, 6 minutes probably?
Yeah, it's 6 minutes for.
Those are big. Bryce's whole head fits in there.
Yeah, that's actually the biggest they're always good.
And these are a little bit, are these the same size? I think these are the same size. Look at, this is a lot. How many do they have? They have a ton. Look at, oh, bigger dryers. Super load.
How is this the super?
These are $4.25
How are these super?
because you can do like comforters and stuff in them. Triple load and quad load. These are quad load. Quad load washers right there.
Why are they so big? They just look like
Alright.
tiny washers.
Let's go across the street. Want to go to the... Pretty cool in there. We've done laundry here several times already. We've been here 3 weeks. No problems. A little expensive, but everything is at the laundromat. But everything worked good. Everything's clean. Now we're going to go right across the street here. Go inside the they call it a convenience store, but it's basically like a little grocery store. It has everything you need. Let's go ahead inside and take a look at the grocery store here at Ocean Lakes Campground.